It is a rainy, cold day. It's not that fun out. It's kind of miserable actually. Oh, it's a mess in there. It's been raining all night. You can see this mess. Doing what they do with rainy weather. Okay, so we have increased the pig feed. We went up another pound of pig, so another 5 pounds. So we're up to 20 pounds. This is probably the last time we'll use just one bucket. We'll do this for the rest of the month. So 20 pounds will fit in here nice, especially when we wet it. But once we get to 25 pounds, it's just so much easier to do 2 buckets, 13 and 12. When we start bringing feed out. So yeah, these piggies are getting big. We have also stopped fermenting. So we fermented their feed, I don't know, for a good 2 to 3 weeks when we were going through the pig sickness. They're all healthy, they're doing great. So we've stopped doing that. If we have time, we'll throw feed in buckets and do it for 3 days, but it's not something we're doing every single day. But I still like to wet the feed. I feel like it could all be in my head, but I feel like it goes a lot further because there are some small particles in the feed or just ground up feed, and I like that getting absorbed by the water so that these pigs are getting all of it. All right, it is a rainy, overcast, gloomy, cold day. It's not that fun out. It's kind of miserable actually. So our forecast is supposed to do this all week. But again, I mean, gosh, look at this grass. This is where we had the cows. This is the front of our area. This is where we've got the hens and the ducks. This grass has just grown back. Yeah, it is amazing out here. We need to get these cows. So we're gonna bring these cows back out. I think here this weekend, we'll get them back out. So as miserable and cold and rainy as it is, we'll welcome it. We welcome the moisture. Evie's taking care of the ducks, yes.
We're gonna move them sideways.
Okay, so we're gonna move these ducks sideways because it's a mess in there. Okay, so it's been raining all night. You can see this mess that these ducks made. So the tractor was right here. You can see the rectangle where it was. We started here. You can see where the pool was. Where this green patch is. They started here a couple days ago and we've been moving them, inching them along. And then yesterday they were right here and it's just a mess. So we just moved them over to the side. Couple of reasons. This is elevated, so it's pointing down this way. So when it rains, we don't want it just sitting. You know, if we were to keep moving them this way, there's kind of a valley right here. It retains water, and that's the last thing in the world we want is just them in a bunch of water. So should we put this turtle in so that they can have dry?
Maybe, yeah. Just the water.
No water?
That's the one with all the
All right, so we are not filling this up today. This will give them kind of a safe haven. If it gets way too wet, they can jump in here and be dry. So they should be fine. It's sprinkling, it's drizzling. It's not like it's coming down heavy rain. So all good, all good. All right, so it's cold out. It's not that fun out here. So hens and ducks are done. We're gonna go get these pigs fed, and Natalie said all these chicks have pasty butts, so we gotta go get these chicks cleaned up, pasty butts, and we'll call it a day. We filled up. These cows are, gosh, I don't even see them. I think they're in their shelter. They came up. They're in the lean-to. We filled up their water yesterday, so we don't need to go check on them. They're good to go. Get these pigs fed. Hungry pigs, they're making another mess. Doing what they do with rainy weather. Let's go inside. It's not fun out here. It's cold. Come on, let's go in the high tunnel.
No, it does this. So far, no pasty butts.
Oh, none?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah.
I think they're done yesterday. There probably won't pasty butts. I like to make sure though.
All right.
Guys, and I'll just huddle together because there's water.
So here we go. These are the hens. They're doing great. So Evie takes them out. She looks at their vent, make sure that they're open. See, yep, we want it open, doing that. No pasty butt. She puts them in there. Open vent. We replenish with wood chips every day, just to add carbon to. I mean, these chicks and these poults are walking around pooping, and we want to add carbon as much as possible so we don't have any smell issues in here. Look at all these hens. How many hens do we have?
I don't know. Yeah, I need to count them. Yeah.
Down to 40 something. How many poults are we down to? We kept losing. We'd come out and there'd be like 2 or 3 turkeys dead. I think we're close to 20.
Yeah, so 20 something.
Yep. All right, and here's the garden check. So we've got
peppers all the way back.
peppers here. I mean, these ones did great. Natalie said we started these in what, January, February?
Yeah,
Started these in February, so mental note, we're gonna start doing that.
And the tomatoes were started at the same time.
And this tall tomato, these two over here, also started in February. So she's going inside. The rest of these tomatoes, they'll be fine. They're little guys, you can barely see them. Along the side of the wall, we've got peas popping up. We got cucumbers over here, squashes. We ran these nets, hardware cloth to run the squashes up this year. We've got pumpkins back here. We ran pumpkins around the back so they can crawl up this wall. And then, yeah, we had some, you can hardly see it, but we've got some peas popping up along here. So
There's beans.
oh yeah, nice. Yeah, you can really see these. You can really see these beans popping up. Yep. So these Natalie just planted by seed. I mean, less than a week ago. So those are popping up. So very cool. It's deceiving. It can be disheartening in the beginning when we start the garden. But it always amazes me. It blows my mind. A month or two from now, I mean, it's green and everything's bushy and green and growing like crazy. So it's always hard in the beginning to go, are we doing are we doing it right? But yes, we are. So all good. Hey, it's miserable outside. It's cold. It's sleety. It wasn't the funnest morning of chores, but we're gonna call it a day. All is well. Everything's alive. Everyone's alive. It's all good. We're gonna call it a day today. As always, appreciate each and every one of you. Our hope for this channel is that you are able to pick up a tip, a trick, a golden nugget to help you on your homesteading journey. If that is the case, please hit subscribe. Give us a like. Keep bringing those comments, feedback. Appreciate each and every one of you. Catch you next time.